Decoding the Word, Scoreboard. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into understanding a common word we hear in sports and games, scoreboard. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also how to use it in various contexts. So, let's get started. A scoreboard is a large board used in sports games to display the score. It can be found in various places such as stadiums, arenas, or even schools. Some scoreboards are simple, showing just the scores of the two teams, while others might display more detailed information like time left, player statistics, and more. Scoreboards aren't just limited to one type. Let's understand some variations. 1. Manual scoreboards. These are operated by hand. Someone updates the scores using numbers or signs. 2. Electronic scoreboards. More modern and commonly seen. These are digital displays that can be updated automatically or remotely. 3. Video scoreboards. These are large screens, often seen in big stadiums, that not only display scores but also show replays, advertisements, and other video content. To truly understand a word, it's always good to see it in action. Here are a few example sentences. 1. Have you checked the scoreboard? Our team is leading. 2. The scoreboard at the stadium is huge and displays scores in real time. 3. They need to update the manual scoreboard every time a goal is scored. And there we have it. Now you're well equipped with the knowledge of what a scoreboard is and how to use it in different contexts. We hope you found this explainer video insightful and that you'll confidently use the term in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the vast world of the English language.